Larry ran a quarter mile in 112.45 seconds. Raul ran a quarter mile in 109.86 seconds. How much faster was Raul? So how much faster tells me that I'm going to subtract, and I'll subtract 112.45 minus 109.86. I don't see anything that says about or estimate, so this is just regular subtracting. When I set that up, I did line up those decimals one on top of the other. If I had any empty spots, I would fill them with zeros, but there are none. 5 minus 6 I cannot do, so I'm going to go ahead and borrow. The 4 becomes a 3. I borrow the 1 to the 5, so 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 8, again, I can't do, so I'm going to borrow. 2 becomes a 1, and I have 13 minus 8 is 5. I'll go ahead and place a decimal right underneath where it goes. 1 minus 9, again, I can't do, so I'm going to borrow. 11 minus 9 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so 2.59 seconds faster.